after calculating the rest period, when would be your next scheduled reporting time? Okay, not the departure time, the scheduled reporting time. When would you be legal to fly for the next reporting? Okay, and you need to tell me the FDP for the total length of your flight. No, FDP starting from 3 a.m. when you reported. You reported at 3 a.m. and your checkout was 12:45 p.m. So the huh? No. 9 hours 45 minutes is your FDP. Exactly. This is the correct answer, 0045 hours. Okay. So the next reporting would be 0045 hours.